2018 is going to be wonderful. I want y'all to be able to set goals, and we are going to smash the crap out of them. We are going to stop at nothing to achieve any and everything that we want. Everything is available to you. Just stay positive, keep fear out of your mind, and we can do it. It's gonna be a great year. And thank y'all so much for being here. It means the world to me. Y'all have no idea. Other than that, my name is Maggie Hardy and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to just be doing a natural smoky eye, just something that you can do every day. And other than that, before you leave, subscribe, and if you'd like, you can follow me on all of my social medias. They will be linked down below. And also don't forget to read the scripture down below. Everybody needs Jesus. So let's get into it. So as y'all can see, I already did everything else off of camera. I didn't want to make this a long video. So I'm gonna go in with the 25B from Morphe today. It's a very beautiful palette. I believe it's $18. It's very affordable. To recreate this look, you can use any eyeshadow that you want, that you have. You don't have to go out and buy anything specific for a smoky eye. This is going to be something that you can wear and do every day. I have kind of told some people that I would do more of a natural look because of the simple fact of I'm glam. I like to see how far my colors and my brushes will take me. So today I'm going to do something a little bit on the calmer side, something that's pretty much for everybody. So with that being said, first I'm going to dip into these two colors right here, and this is going to just be my transition shade. And I'm just going to take a Morphe 513 brush. It's just a beautiful blending brush, and we will go and start working this right into the crease. You can make this as dark as you want. If you want it darker, if you want it lighter, you can do whatever your preference is. Everybody has their own style. Everybody has their own way of creating looks. So this is just going to be, like I said, a natural smoky eye. Okay, so now that I have that transition shade, I'm gonna go in and I think I'm going to grab this bad boy right here. It's a real cocoa brown. And I'm gonna take it's a flatter blending brush. It's the M433 from Morphe. I love their products, their eyeshadows, their brushes are amazing. You can't beat the prices, and their eyeshadows just keep getting better and better every time they come out with something. So I'm just gonna work this right into the crease and on my lid on the outer corner, and I'm just going to pack this on. Not going too high, pretty much in my outer V. And I'm just going to pack this on. So I really hope that y'all enjoyed y'all's New Year's, and if you got out and got to drink, I'm sure you're still trying to recover from a hangover. Me, I didn't make it. I just stayed in bed and didn't make it till 12. I'm getting old, so it's very cold here. And we didn't do anything. We celebrated actually a few days before New Year's because it gets crazy. So now that I have that, we're gonna go in and we're just going to blend it out. I'm gonna take the same blending brush that I used before, and I'm going to dip into this more warm shade. It's a warm brown color, and we're just going to lightly, ever so lightly, start blending this. And I'm doing very small circular motions just to be able to blend that out. And once I have nothing left on my brush, I'm going to take it in and blend it in. Okay, and after that, I'm going to dip into this color right here. It's a little bit cooler. And when you do this, you don't have to use as many colors. You can use one, or you can use 2 or 3 colors, whatever works best for you, as long as it is blended out. Blend that bad boy out. You don't want no harsh lines. And if you put your hands on the end of your brush, you can very lightly go in here and blend it out. The lighter you push, the more it blends out. So is it just me, or does one eye always turn out better than the other? I'm supposed to be here teaching y'all, but I don't know everything. I don't, I just go with the flow. Okay, now going in with a more defined, this is a more of a pointy blending brush. This is the Morphe M4, excuse me, 11. And I'm gonna dip into this darkest shade right here. This I'm going to lightly, ever so lightly, just blend right into that corner, right into that V, just to give it a little bit more of a dimension and the depth into our crease. Like I said, lightly, ever so lightly. You can definitely skip this step if you like, but my extraness always takes over. Okay, now that I have that, I'm just gonna go in with this shade right here, and I'm going to rub this all over the lid. With this part, you can put sparkly, you can put glitter, you could go darker. You can pretty much do whatever it is that you please. And after that, I'm just gonna take that blending brush, and I'm going to get right there in that crease. Now going in with the darkest shade again, I'm going to take this as a flat brush. And I'm not doing eyeliner today, I'm keeping it very simple. So I'm just going to put this right into my lash line. It will help make your lashes look just a little bit fuller. See, as you can see, my eyelashes already look just a little bit fuller. So when we put the mascara on, it will look like we have fuller eyelashes. We're going to trick the eye into thinking that we have eyelashes that are thicker than what they actually are. So I'm gonna go in with just a little blending brush, and I'm just going to kind of blend this out, smear it out, make it look a little bit smoky. Okay, for the lower lash line, I'm just going to use this shade right here. This is the first shade that we packed on to the outer portion of the eye. And I'm going to just take a small buffer brush, and I'm going to just smoke this out just enough to give it some definition. And like I said, you can blow this out as big as you want. If you don't want it blown out, you can skip this step, but I wouldn't recommend it because your eyes would look offset. Right, and then I'm going to warm that up just a little bit, and I'm going to go back in with this. You always want to do on the bottom what you do to the top. So if you put 2 shadows, 3 shadows on top, you also want to do that on the bottom. You don't want no harsh lines. So you always want to do the dark and then blend it out with the lighter color on the bottom. It just helps everything blend and seamlessly work together. So for my brow bone highlight, I'm going to go back in with the shade that we put on the lid, and I'm just going to add a little bit of definition again. The inner corner, I'm going to go in with the Milani. This is the highlighter that I use. This one is an 01 strobe light. Sorry guys, sometimes I get ahead of myself. And I'm just going to do the inner corner. I really want the inner corner to pop today. For my lower lash line, this is a MAC chromographic pencil. This is just a nude pencil. You can use any kind of nude pencils you want. I know that Maybelline and CoverGirl. I know all of them have those, so I'm not recommending that you go to MAC and you spend the money. Get this in my waterline, and this is actually going to open our eyes and make it seem like we're more awake. It's going to widen our eyes. So now I'm just going to curl my lashes, and I'm going in with the Big Shot Maybelline. This is the collaboration with Shayla. Just grab your favorite mascara, whatever mascara it shall be, and we're really gonna coat these up. Okay, so there you have it. After this is pretty much it. I know people don't wear lashes on a regular basis, so after this it could be done. You could work the mascara up and your eyelashes as much as possible, but for me, since I am extra, I am gonna throw on some lashes. So I will throw on some lashes and I will be right back. Alright, so this is the finished look. Like I said, this is a very good everyday eye makeup, whether you're going to school or you work at the grocery store or going and working in the office, whatever it is that you may be doing. And this is very simple everyday look. It's not too glam, it's not too casual, it's actually just right. So like I said, you don't need to throw on the lashes. You could have been done before I threw on my lashes, but I'm extra, I have to have my lashes. These are Dodo lashes in style 377. They have great lashes. Definitely go check them out. They have a wide range of lashes and they're not that expensive. If you're just playing around with lashes and you want to learn how to do them, I would recommend going and getting Ardell Wispy lashes. You can find them at Ulta. They're very pretty lashes too, and I think you can get like 3 of them for like $8, I think, or like 1 pair for $4. I'm not quite sure. Don't get me wrong on the prices. So other than that, guys, again, welcome to 2018. I'm so glad that y'all are here with me, and we are going to push, and we are going to have the best year ever. So thank you again for being here, and I will be seeing y'all again soon. Bye.